Hi, this is Leo, and we're going to take a look at how to manage apps that are connected to your Google Drive. In the past, we've already looked at extensions, and those are these small icons I have at the top of a Chrome browser. But for this one, we want apps, and in particular, how to uninstall apps that we don't want. So let's go to my example here. And for my example, I'm going to open up this PDF here. When it opens, it's opening up in this app called PDF Converter Online, and this is something I don't want. I installed it on purpose for this demo, but I have noticed some individuals that have had this pop up, and they had no intention of installing it in the first place. If I go back to the PDF and I right-click on it, and I go to Open With, I can see PDF Converter is set as the default. So every time I click on a PDF, it's going to open up in this app that I didn't want to begin with. Here's how we're going to fix it. Come up to the gear icon, go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, come over to Manage Apps. And then this is going to bring up of all the apps that are connected to Google Drive. If I come down here, I can find PDF Converter, and that's the one I want to get rid of. And I can see that it was checked as the default for PDFs. And I'm going to come over to Options, Disconnect from Drive, and then it'll give me the option to disconnect here. Once I do that, you can see that it's disappeared from my list. I can go to Done. And now this time when I go to the same PDF, Open With, the default will be Google Docs. So now we've gotten rid of that app that I didn't want in the first place. And you can go back and you can manage other apps that you might have installed as well. And sometimes if you're having an issue, it's easy just to get rid of the app and maybe try something else that'll work a little bit better.